Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today we will study the photoelectric effect from chemistry from the chapter structure of atom. Okay, so you know everyone Albert Einstein, and Albert Einstein is basically known for the theory of relativity. He is also known for this photoelectric effect also, and for this photoelectric effect he got Nobel Prize. Okay, so what is photoelectric effect? We will discuss here. Okay, what is photoelectric effect? So let's start. What is photoelectric effect, sir? When a photon falls on a metal surface, the electron bounded by the nucleus gains energy, and when it gains sufficient energy, then it moves or escape from the metal surface, and this is the phenomena of this phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. And the electron moves, those electrons escape, these electrons are known as photoelectrons. Okay, so here let consider, let E equal to energy of each photon. Photon means, sir, photon is the smallest particle of light particle. Photon is the light particle. Okay, nu is incident frequency of photon, lambda equal to wavelength of photon, W0 equal to work function. What is work function? I will explain later. Work function nu 0 equal to threshold frequency and lambda 0 equal to threshold wavelength. Okay, this much clear. K max equal to kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy, that is max kinetic energy of electron. Okay, B max, maximum velocity of electron. Okay, M equal to mass of one electron. Now we know that from Planck's quantum theory, energy of each photon is what? Therefore, energy of each photon E equal to h nu. H is Planck's constant here. Then we can write hc by lambda. C is velocity of photon. C is speed of photon in air. Okay, now what is work function? Work function W0 equal to h nu 0, that is hc by lambda 0. Fine. Okay, and kinetic energy of electron, it will be maximum kinetic energy. Okay, maximum kinetic energy K max equal to half m B max square. So look at the picture diagram. So this is the main energy, this is the total energy carried by a photon when it is incident on a metal surface. And what is there? In the metal surface there is electron, proton and neutron is there. So electron is revolving around the nucleus because of nuclear force. when an electron gets sufficient energy, then it will escape from the metal surface. Okay, so the total energy is this one, and work function is what? Work function is the amount of energy. Work function is the minimum amount of energy by which an electron can tends to move from the metal surface or try to move from the metal surface. This is the minimum amount of energy. When you give this energy to an electron, electron will tends to move. Electron in the state of tends to move from the or tends to escape from the metal surface. Okay. Then what is threshold frequency? Threshold frequency is the minimum frequency. When this frequency is incident on a metal surface, the electron tends to move position from the metal surface. Okay, fine. So now this is the total energy, and this is some energy of photon will loss due to work function. There is nucleus force between new electron and nucleus, and the rest of the energy becomes the kinetic energy of the electron. So this is the total energy, and this is the work function, and this is the kinetic energy. So we can write therefore E equal to how much? E equal to W0 plus kmx. This is the total energy. This amount of energy is lost due to the nuclear force by the nucleus, and this the rest of the energy electron take as a kinetic energy. Okay, so I write here Hc by, we can write here H nu, this is H nu 0 plus half m Bmax square. Okay, this one is one formula, this is formula number 1, right? Next we can split this one also in this way, Hc by lambda 0 plus half m Bmax square. Okay, therefore half m Bmax square, that is kinetic energy, equal to Hc by lambda minus Hc by lambda 0. So if you take common part from right side, it will become like that only. Okay, so kinetic energy of the electron is Hc into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda 0. This is the expression of kinetic energy. So this is another formula number 2. Okay, and this is another formula. So this is the this is the Einstein photoelectric effect equation. This equation is known as Einstein photoelectric equation. Okay, this is known as Einstein photoelectric equation. I hope this explanation, this derivation will help you a lot to further preparation in your board exam, and also for the various engineering and medical entrance exam like NEET, IIT JEE, or TET exam or UPSC, etc. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.